Okay, a new day, a new project, and here we are with the filters. Just got this from FedEx. The Heltec filters are in the house. So, of course, what we're gonna do first is to have some tests. Anything else here? No. Buttmaster Consulting, whatever, Frankfurt, Germany. Okay. So in fact, this is from Germany. So it came via Germany. So they send me 4 pieces. Nice. Okay. There we go. Oh, nice. 4 pieces. Heltec filters originals. So this is called the front end filter. 863 to 870 megahertz. Front end filter. And but why 2? Front end filter. They are both the same. What about this? Front end filter. Same story. Okay, guys. Of course. What do you think? Let's check the filters. All right. My Nano VNA, it's ready to go. I want to do this with less adapters as possible, so we don't have any doubts about the measurements. How can I do this? Of course, same old trick. Piece of wire instead of a pin. This is the input here. Yeah. Very nice. And now we have to connect this with this one. And we need something like this. No. And by the way, I have one of my homemade filters to see the results from both of them. So which one? Oh yes, this one here. And this one here. And this one here. So I could get rid of one of the adapters. Like usually this guy is making me problems. Not anymore. I'm opening this VNA Qt, and we already have some graphics there, but I don't care about that because I want my software here. Okay, connect. 800 megahertz to 900 megahertz. Okay, but let me do the calibration. I'm gonna try adapter male, adapter SM. Okay, I think this one is the one. Okay, now we have the right adapters and let's go. Well, look there. It's looking very, very nice. And we have a loss of -1915 dB at 866 megahertz. That's amazing good. This is amazing good. Okay, let me try this one. -14. Perfect. Zillow. Okay. -1.910. This is really nice. So I may say the filters are very well done, very well built. Super. Let me check the other one. There we go. -1814. Super. But let me have the calibration with the adapters. -1.808. I have to say, and I have to admit it, these are really nice done filters. And it have a span like, let me see, if we start from here and we go there with the blue one. Okay, let's have this and this. And we have like around 12 megahertz of span in this area. And the best return lose, it's in the middle. Yes, I may say they are properly done. Very nice filters. So this is a homemade, exactly the same pins in and out. And let's see. Well, not bad at all. -2.4. I think it's okay. With the tip here. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, let me try again. -2.2 for the homemade one. Well, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. The return losing are -19, and it's almost the same. Probably these are better because they have this cavity, you know, probably tuned. -18.1 return lose, -1.7. Yeah, they are very good. That's the story with the filters, people. Now we have to put them up and to wait for the results. Perfect. This is so good. Okay, so these are the filters. Very nice done, very well done. And all we have to do now is to wait for the results. Please like and subscribe, and of course don't forget to have fun. And by the way, let me show you something. It's a really nice multimeter from Kaiweets KM611. What I want to show you today, it's something very useful. This have a kind of sensor for live wires, you know, like you have a high voltage something in the area, let me say. So that shows me we have live voltage here. And this is very useful, you know, because we have a lot of wires all around. It's nice to check before anything else if you have a live wire on the antenna, on the, I don't know, connectors or power supplies and so on. So if you consider buying one of these, they are very cheap and you have a discount coupon. Just use the link behind and code for discount. Thank you.